Cool. So let's come to our next game. This one's called Red Flags. What we're going to do is we're going to give you 3 hypothetical situations. In each situation, there are 2 things that are going great and 1 that's not so great. And these are rapid for you. So you need to choose which of these 3 situations you'd rather be in. And whichever situation you choose, you're accepting the 2 good and the bad of that situation.
Cool.
I'll read it out and then we'll give you one iPad to refer to.
Alright, cool.
So situation 1 is that Ostrano is selling in over 3 countries. You are currently in operating profit, but your largest budget photo shoot till date goes horribly. Situation 2 is Ostrano has built a community across social media. You have more than 50 products in your catalog, but one of you has to leave the brand abruptly. And situation 3 is Ostrano now has over 30 employees. Your silhouettes are nominated for multiple fashion design awards, but your monthly cash flow has never been less. Okay,
3.
So we'll say 1, 2, and 3, right?
Whichever.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
1.
Okay.
I was right.
I mean,
So he thought you were going to choose situation 3 and I said situation 1.
yeah. No, 3 would have been great. Honestly, that's more
of Kabir. But when it comes to both of us, number 1.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, fair. Tell me why.
Number 1, of course, because fixing a photo shoot is not a problem. You can always have another one, man.
Yeah.
Like you can have a
You're
bad
in
photo shoot. At least you're an operating profit. At least you're globally recognized in more than one country, and I think that's super important.
And another easy way we knew it was on because we've already had big photo shoot go wrong. So
Not really, but yeah.
The biggest one, yeah. Or not.
let's see.
Well, the reason I thought situation 3 y'all might have chosen is because, like, to a certain extent, sure, monthly cash flow has never been worse, but like cash flow is something that if the other 2 are happening, then that's something that will probably get solved.
I was probably, if I was thinking from a very, very individualistic perspective, I would have said 3.
Today's day and age, just not creating a startup is not important. Creating a business is also important.
Yeah.
Something that's sustainable for the next 10 to 20 years.
100%. But I also think that
There are great people, there are great designs, there are great things, but they're not necessarily profitable or recognized.
Correct, but I'm saying the difference between situation 1 and 3 is the scale, right? You might currently be in operating profit even today, but today there's 2 employees.
Yeah.
So reaching operating profit with 2
but
employees.
that's what would stress me out, that I'm not in, like my monthly cash flow is not good, but I have 30 employees to pay.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
That's fine. You've still reached a certain scale. So again, depends on
Yeah,
whether
the
you're
way
looking
you're
after
looking at it, yeah.
current. this
Besides,
thing.
I think when you also have people working with you, people working for you, I think you're also responsible for their livelihood. Right? I think
Yeah.